Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anindita Marisca, NPM 22,411,036 from Class MNJ22A. Here I will explain about leading in global environmental change. Introduction. In the ever-changing era of globalization, organizations can no longer operate in a static environment. Changes in the global environment, which include technological, political, economic, social, and ecological aspects, affect the way organizations operate. Leaders in organizations must have the ability to respond to and manage these changes to remain relevant and competitive. Global environmental changes affecting organization design. Economic globalization. Economic connectivity between countries means organizations must be able to operate in the global marketplace. Leaders need to understand the dynamics across national borders, including regulations, trade agreements, and changes in exchange rates. Technological developments. Technological revolutions, such as artificial intelligence, big data, and automation, force organizations to adapt quickly to these advancements. Leaders must design flexible organizations to leverage technology as a competitive advantage. Social and demographic changes. Population growth, urbanization, and changing social preferences require organizations to be more inclusive and adapt to a more diverse workforce. Leaders must understand how to manage multicultural teams and implement diversity policies. Environmental awareness. Climate change and social responsibility issues require companies to be more aware of the environmental and social impacts of their operations. Leaders need to rethink supply chains, products, and processes to be more sustainable. Political and regulatory uncertainty. Political instability. Trade wars and changing regulations can affect an organization's strategy and operations. Leaders must have the skills to manage risk and adapt to changing regulations. The leader's role in managing change. Leader as visionary leaders must have a clear vision in the face of global change. They need to set a direction that can inspire all members of the organization to adapt and move towards a common goal despite external changes. Agile decision-making in global change. Leaders must be able to make quick and precise decisions. An agile, flexible, and adaptive organizational design is necessary for the organization to respond to changes quickly. Continuous innovation. Leaders need to encourage a culture of innovation within the organization. In a changing global environment, leaders must be able to create an organization that continues to experiment and innovate to maintain competitiveness. Risk management. Global change presents new risks, be it financial, technological, or geopolitical. Leaders must understand these risks and design effective mitigation strategies. Organizational design should include risk management elements to ensure continuity of operations. Organizational culture management in a global environment. Organizational culture is important to support change. Leaders must manage cultural change to align with global values such as diversity, inclusivity, and cross-cultural collaboration. Organizational design strategies in the face of global change. Adaptive organizational structure. Organizations must have a structure that can adapt quickly to change. This can be realized with a flat or matrix organizational structure, where communication is more open and cross-functional teams are easier to form. Use of technology for flexibility. Leaders should leverage technology to support organizational flexibility, such as cloud systems, digital collaboration tools, and business process automation. Continuous people development. Organizational design should include strategies for the continuous development of human resources. This includes continuous training, mentoring programs, and talent management policies that are able to adapt to global needs. Implementation of data-driven management with the development of big data and analytics. Organizations can use data to make better, fact-based decisions. Leaders need to ensure that organizational design supports the integration of technology and data in decision-making. Organization design that encourages global collaboration in a global environment. Collaboration across countries is crucial. Organizations need to be designed to encourage international cooperation, be it through the use of technology, the creation of cross-cultural teams, or strategic partnerships with global partners. Conclusion: leaders in a dynamic global environment must be able to design organizations that are flexible, innovative, and sustainable. Changes in the global environment bring challenges that require quick responses and appropriate strategies. With visionary, agile, and innovation-focused leadership, organizations can face these changes and remain competitive in the global marketplace.